Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to learn how to create awesome animated videos using Canva. And for those of you who might not be familiar with Canva, Canva is online graphic design applications that really trendy these days, and it's full with features and super user friendly. And to make animated video with Canva, you don't need to have any experience in graphic design or video editing. So let's dive right in, guys. So to access Canva is very easy because it's all online. So you just need a web browser. You can use your web browser on your mobile or on your desktop. Alright, so you just type canva.com on your address bar here. So what you're gonna see after the website open will be something like this, guys. So this is the home of Canva. Then from here you can sign up or you can register using your Gmail account. Alright, let's start to make an animation video now. First of all, guys, you select the video option here. Then after that, you choose YouTube video, right? Then after that, the Canva will open the new editing page, something like this. So now, you can use the template here, the template provided, but for this video, we won't use any template because I want you to learn from the scratch, okay? Right, so you go to Elements in the Elements menu, and here you can choose many kinds of graphics.
Alright, and usually they are paid, guys. So if you have the budget, you can sign up for the Pro versions. There are many great graphics and design assets available for you. But if you are not willing to pay, that's okay too.
Alright, first let's find out the background for our animations. I'm in a mood for the green and grassy and trees, all these kind of sceneries, guys. Okay, let's try searching for using these keywords like hill, forest, or beautiful scenery. Do you think it's beautiful? Let's see. And I found out something like this, guys. I like it. Okay, I'm going to pick something like this now, okay? And to make this image as your background animation is very simple, guys. You just right click and set to background, that's all. Now I'm going to add a couple more trees elements to make it more lively. Oh, by the way, you also can use the animated type like this, okay? So not just only static. No, you can see it can move like this, guys. It's more interactive, right? Okay, now I'm going to pick a trees like this. I like the shape. Oh, I will resize it and position it where I want. Alright, let's find another trees for another side. Okay, like this. Oh, okay, I don't like this one. Okay, change it. I would like to change to something like this. Oh, there you go. That's better. Now it's balanced, guys. Alright. So, as you can see, it's really easy, guys. You are free to get so creative here. You can add animal elements also. If you like something like elephants or bird or anything that will make your design more interesting, it's up to you. And you can also add flower elements to make your design more beautiful. Guys, remember to take note, each of these elements is positioned in a layer. So each layer has its own positions. So you can arrange the layers, guys, like this. So if you want to move an elephant behind a tree, just right click on the elephant element and select send backwards, okay? So as you can see now, the elephant is behind the trees now. Alright guys, this is the best part. Now I'm gonna show you how to add animations to these elements. Let's say we have a bee graphic here and I want to make the bee flies from one side to the other. And we can do by adding animations to the bee graphics. Alright, so what you can do is click on the animate option here and then select create an animations. Okay, now click and drag the bee to where you want it to move, right? So it will create a path like this, as you can see, alright? And guys, you also can choose the movement style, like original, smooth, or steady. Personally, I love smooth. It's more natural, you know, like you see like this, very smooth, right? And if you want, you can also add movement effects. So it will create more natural movement of the bees. Personally, I like to choose wiggle. Okay, let's apply this effect now and you can see, okay, like wiggle. Yeah, you like it, right? It's more natural, like how the bees flies normally. And another thing that I want to show you, you can also import a set from outside. If you like a nice background that you have on your computer, you can use it. You just import like this and use it, okay? And also, you can add text to your design. You just need to go to text menu and choose from the various fonts here. It's very easy, okay? And after you finish editing your animations, you can download your videos. Just click the share button and select download. And make sure to choose the MP4 file types, guys. And you just need to wait until the download is completed. Alright? Then after that, you can find your downloaded animation video in your download folder. And that's all for this video, guys. And now I hope you can understand how to create an animation using Canva, okay? So guys, hopefully you find this video helpful. If you enjoy content like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more, okay? And thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.